Hi, I'm Marlene. Today I'm going to show you how to sew a hem. It's very easy. So here we go. All you need is a needle and cotton. Thread the needle. You don't need a double cotton for this, so we're just going to put a knot on the end of one. So just wrap it around your finger, roll, and then pull, and there's your little knot. Oops. There we go. Now this pair of trousers, you can see the hem has come out here. So I'm going to start on the seam. And I'm just going to put my little knot at the back. Then just on the seam fold, just give it one or two little stitches. These can be quite thick. It's just to secure your starting position. Now on the back piece, which will be the visible piece, you just want to take one little thread and then push it into that side. So just keep doing that. Now the secret with this hem is not to pull your thread too tight. If you pull the thread, you're going to see every little bump and it's not going to look very good. So let's stitch there. Now if I turn it over, you can see this one I took a bigger piece, and those two I just took one. So try and keep it as light as possible, and you'll see if I pull the thread tighter, then you can see every little dimple, which we don't want. So keep it as light as you can. And that's really it. All you need to do is just continue then until you can see my hem is attached there. So I'm just going to do another few stitches. And when you get to the end, you just want to go through that back piece, put your needle through the loop, do that once or twice just to finish off, and you can then just cut off the cotton, and there you have your hem. Easy as that. Thanks, I'll see you next time.